Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, September the 17th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. Stock futures are little changed ahead of today's highly anticipated Federal Reserve decision on interest rates. Futures tied to the S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq, which hit fresh all-time highs yesterday morning before finishing the day slightly lower, were down less than 0.1% this morning. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note, which affects borrowing costs on all sorts of loans, ticked lower to 4.01%, near its lowest level since April. Gold futures were down slightly at around $3,700 an ounce after hitting a record high on Tuesday, while Bitcoin edged lower to $116,300. Number 2. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to lower interest rates today, with the announcement coming at 2 p.m. Eastern Time today. While most investors believe the Fed will cut its benchmark rate by a quarter percentage point, some are betting that a half-point cut is possible amid signs of weakness in the labor market. The Fed will also release its quarterly projections on the direction of the economy and interest rates. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will hold a press conference to discuss the decision and speak on general economic conditions. Investors will be looking for signals that the Fed believes economic conditions warrant more rate cuts in the coming months. Number 3. China's internet regulator has ordered companies to stop buying Nvidia chips in order to reduce reliance on U.S. technology, according to a report in the Financial Times. The Cyberspace Administration of China told companies including TikTok parent ByteDance and Alibaba to terminate their testing and orders of the RTX Pro 6000D, Nvidia's latest chip. Designed for the Chinese market, the report said. The new ban is stronger than prior restrictions from regulators that focused on the H20, an earlier version of Nvidia's China-tailored AI chip. The ban comes after China recently accused Nvidia of antitrust violations. Nvidia shares were down about 1% in recent pre-market trading. Number 4. Meta Platforms is expected to show off its AI-powered smart glasses and other new technology at its developer conference that begins today. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who is scheduled to deliver the keynote address at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, is expected to showcase the company's Hypernova glasses. The launch of new Meta AI glasses comes as competitors Apple, Samsung, and Amazon plan to launch their own versions of AI glasses. Meta shares were down slightly in pre-market trading. Meta's Connect conference will extend into Thursday. Number 5. U.S. single-family home building and permits for future construction dropped in August amid a glut of unsold new houses and a softening labor market, shrugging off falling mortgage rates. Single-family housing starts, which account for the bulk of home building, fell 7% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 890,000 units last month, the Commerce Department Census Bureau said on Wednesday. Permits for future single-family home building decreased 2.2% to a rate of 856,000 units. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.